How to add a background in Capcut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a background to your video in Capcut. Stick around till the end, and let's get started. First, open Capcut. There appears the home of Capcut, and start a new project. Import your video. Select the video you want to edit and add it to the timeline. After importing the media, you will be prompted to the editing dashboard of Capcut. Now tap on the video clip. Scroll through the bottom tool menu and tap on Remove Background. To add a background, first, you have to remove the background. Then scroll through the menu and tap on the background option in the toolbar. Here you can add image, color, or video in the background. I'm going for the color. Select any color for the background in the video. Play the video to make sure the background looks perfect. Adjust colors, blur levels, or alignment if necessary. Once satisfied, tap the Export button to save the video to your device. And that's how you add a background in Capcut. This simple technique allows you to create dynamic and creative videos effortlessly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.